So how do we actually connect our GameSir G7 SE here, as you can see, to our PlayStation 4? Well, if you're trying to connect it via the cable right away like this, as you can see, as I have done, and you try to power it on, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna recognize the controller whatsoever. Here, as you can see, it just isn't working. So what you have to do instead is to get one of those right here. I'm gonna show you. So this is a Wingman converter here. It's like a P5 wireless adapter. I believe it's also called like that. And it works on both PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, and also on PC. So what it does, this right here, it actually helps us to recognize the controller. So the controller is going to be recognized by PlayStation 4 and also PlayStation 5, even if it's not natively supported. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use it because it's so easy. So I'm just going to plug this one out here, and instead I'm going to plug this one into the adapter instead here, and the adapter needs to go back into my PlayStation 4 here. And then I'm just going to click on this button right here. Sometimes you can click on it and it connects right away. Sometimes you have to wait a couple of seconds. But you can see now, works without any problems whatsoever. So even an unsupported controller can now work on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 without any problems. By the way, if you want to be able to get this one right here, I have actually linked a link for it in my description. And it is an affiliate link, and I would really appreciate if you're going to buy it if you can use that link. And once again, it is an affiliate link, so I may earn a commission, a small commission if you purchase from it, but there's no extra cost to you, just so you know.